You searched how to buy shares of Elme Communities. Elme Communities operates in the residential community sector and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ELME. This video is educational and not financial advice. You need a broker account to buy stock, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will be asked to verify your identity with a document and to add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ELME to find the listing. Select the result that matches Elme Communities to open its asset page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a live price chart. Double-check the NASDAQ listing in the ticker ELME to confirm you have the correct stock. To invest, click the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio showing the holding and amount. A link to eToro is available in the description if you wish to visit the platform.